Myntri Rangbah kejala korat sangmah ni kesngi ulakot ban yadi Shillong bat ki nongtrei jong ke Shillong Municipal bat ai khublei ya ke jingtrei stom jongki ban penlong ya ke nongbah Shillong ka pynkhuid habakren hakni kasngi sha ki nongtrei jong ke Municipal ki bala pynkhuid ya ke nongbah Shillong ulaong ba kum ukli do jong kejala u ai khublei kerpang yaki ya ke kam ki ba maki keletrei ban pynkhuid ya ke nongbah Shillong ulang baro kila yui ya kani bat ki ai ke jingero ya kakam kaba maki kitrai.
I'll get one chair. Noticing or watching, but I want to tell you personally that so many people have told me about how happy they are to see all of you work so hard and keep our city clean. So don't think that people are not noticing. People are noticing, people are very happy, and people are very proud to see all of you do this. And I, on behalf of the state and people of Shillong city especially, would like to really take this opportunity to thank all of you. So don't think you're doing a simple thing. What you are doing is making a huge impact on how our city is clean, how our tourists feel about the city, and the citizens of the city also and the state, how they feel about their capital. Today, my whole purpose of calling you to the Chief Minister's bungalow is only to express our gratitude to you. This is Christmas season, and obviously Christmas is a time of joy, of love, of sharing happiness with everyone. And sometimes in life, we tend to ignore a lot of people and take people for granted. But maybe this is the time when we don't take people for granted. So Christmas time is the time when we share our joy and happiness. And so the reason I've called all of you is to share the joy and happiness of Christmas with all of you. We're to share a cup of tea, a small maybe cake we'll have together. We'll celebrate Christmas together. We'll celebrate the work that you're doing, which, as I said, is not a small thing. You're doing a lot of big things. Trust me, the impact that you're doing is really making our city much better. So once again, thank you so much. And also on behalf